Now we are going to discuss about the second chapter of geometry, that is a Pythagoras theorem. Now we are now give the part 1 of this, more about Pythagoras theorem, part 1. I am giving the name of this part 1. This chapter I will explain with the help of a part 1, with the help of a part. I make the part of this chapter. So in the first part 1, we first discuss Pythagorean triplet. What is a Pythagorean triplet? It is the group of the three natural numbers such that the square of the larger number is equal to the sum of the squares of other remaining two numbers. Then such group of three natural number, it is called as a Pythagorean triplet. Now, according to this definition, we verify that whether this group of a number, it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Now, what is a large number here? It is to be 61. So now 61 square is equal to 3, 7, 2, 1. This is first. Second is that 11 square plus 60 square. So what is 11 square? That is 121 plus 3600. Then what is this? 3, 7, 2, 1. This is a second. From 1 and 2, what we will find out that the large number square, that is 61 square, it is the sum of the square of this number, that is 11 square plus 60 square. So this is 11 square plus 60 square. So from 1 and 2, what we say that these numbers, hence the group of numbers 11, 60 and 61, it is a Pythagorean triplet. It is an example of a Pythagorean triplet. It is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Do you understand what is Pythagorean triplet? It is the group of three natural numbers such that the square of the large number is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two numbers. Then the numbers are said to be a Pythagorean triplet. Now see the second property, that is property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. So now here considering that one of the triangle, that is 30-60 degree, that is PQR. You considering that the triangle PQR, it is about, so this is PQR. Consider this is 60 degree and this is a 30 degree. Triangle, in triangle PQR, angle Q 90 degree, angle R 30 degree, angle P 60 degree. So the triangle PQR is 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. So now here P is equal to 60 and R is equal to 30. Then we have first the side opposite to 30 degree. The side opposite to 30 degree. It is that a PQ. So then PQ, it is equal to 1 by 2 into hypotenuse. So what is a hypotenuse? This is a PR. Similarly, second, that the side opposite to 60 degree angle. What is 60 degree angle? That is angle P. It is to be QR. Side opposite to 60 degree, it is QR. Then the value of QR is root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. This is the PR. When we have to provide the triangle 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree, it is half of the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree, it is the root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. This is the characteristics of the side of a triangle when we are to given it is about 30, 60 and 90 degree. Now third one is that third property, that is considered triangle, property of 45 and 90 degree triangle. What is 45 and 90 degree triangle? So now here that considering the triangle ABC, what is the relation of their sides? So now this is A, B and C. This is 45 degree. This is again 45. In triangle ABC, angle A 45 degree, angle B is again 45 degree, and angle C is 45 degree, angle B it is a 90 degree. So the triangle ABC, triangle A, B and C, it is what type of this? 45 and 90 degree. Then the side opposite to 45 degree. Suppose that this is 45 degree. So side opposite to this, it is a AB. And side opposite this A angle, this is 45 we have provided, it is BC. So then we have AB is equal to BC, it is 1 by root 2 into AC. This is the another behavior of the triangle 45 and 90. When we have to provide the triangle 45 and 90 degree, then the side opposite to 45 degree are 1 by root 2 into its hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, the side opposite to 45 degree, it is AB equal to BC equal to 1 by root 2 into hypotenuse, that is a AC. This is the another type of the triangles, that is 45 and 90 degree, and other is 30, 60 and 90 degree. This is the behavior of the triangle. We remember that how it is behaved there, how its sides are changes when we are to provide the such type of the triangles. Next property of the triangle, it is that when the perpendicular, when in a right angle triangle, when in a right angle triangle, Now see here. Triangle A, B, C is a right angle triangle at angle B. Then the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse through B. When the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, what is B, D is the perpendicular. It is an altitude. What is altitude? It is a perpendicular distance. It is an altitude. Then the triangles so form on the opposite sides of this altitude. What are the triangles formed? A, D, B and B, D, C. The triangles so form on the opposite sides of this altitude are similar to the original triangles. Are similar to the original triangle. According to this statement, in triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to AC and angle B, it is a 90 degree. Then what we say that they first triangle ABC, it is the original triangle, is similar to triangle ADB. And second one is that triangle ABC also. So what is ADB? It is the one of the triangle opposite to that. It is formed due to by altitude. So ADB. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. BDC. Now how to prove this? Suppose we have to prove that. पहले स्टेटमेंट सांगतो. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the triangles so form to the opposite sides of the altitude are similar to the original triangles. Now in figure, what is in figure? Triangle ABC is right angle triangle at B. BD, it is an altitude. So the triangles so formed due to this altitude are one of the triangle ADB and another is that BDC are similar to ABC. That is, in simplify we read like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB and is similar to triangle also BDC. So if you have to prove this, so how we can prove that? So proof. What is the proof of it? So this is that. Now considering in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, remember that. What is angle A? Angle A is common. It is common, that is congruent. It is a common. What is angle B? and D, angle B is congruent to angle D, it is that each 90 degree. Hence, what we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. So by AAA test. Similarly, if you considering this, that similarly in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, what we say that what is angle B is congruent to angle D. Angle B congruent to angle D. It is 90 degree. Angle C congruent to angle C. This is a common. Hence, what do you say that triangle ABC is similar triangle BDC. Hence, we say that in a right angle triangle, when the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the triangles so formed to the opposite sides of the altitude are similar to the original triangles. Property of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now in right angle triangle R, Q, P, Q, S perpendicular to RP. Then we have QS square is equal to SR into PL. This QS, it is that segment which divides the hypotenuse. This QS, it is called as a geometric mean. QS is called as a geometric mean, and that is equal to QS square is equal to SR into PS. If you have to prove that, so how we can prove? If you have to prove, we know that the similarity in the right angle triangle. So now in triangle in figure R, S, Q. Triangle R, S, Q. Similar triangle Q, S, P. Q, S, P. Reason is that similarity in right angle triangle. Similarity in right angle triangle. In right angled triangle. So now therefore, what we say that we have RS upon QS is equal to QS upon SP or PS. So now cross multiplying, this is corresponding side of similar triangle. So then we have QS into QS, that is QS square is equal to SR into PS. Hence the result. So this is about a geometric mean in right angle triangle when a perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, it is this segment is a geometric mean which divides the hypotenuse, in such a way that QS square is equal to SR into PS. So this is about the property of geometric mean. See the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Now in triangle, suppose consider that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Then we have the square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Right angle triangle मध्ये hypotenuseचा square is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. याला आपण पायथागोरस थेरम म्हणतो. आता आपल्याला पायथागोरस थेरम प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. Given in triangle ABC angle B, it is 90 degree. To prove that, what is proof? Hypotenuse AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. We have to prove this. A construction draw. BD perpendicular to AC. Draw BD perpendicular to AC and ADC. Proof मध्ये जाऊ. In triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Then what we have that in triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to hypotenuse. Then we know that before of this, what property we see that? We see that the similarity of right angle triangle. So now we have A, B, C triangle, A, B, C, similar triangle, A, D, B. Similar triangle B, D, C, B, D, C. Triangle B, D, C. Reason similarity of right angle triangles. Similarity of right angled triangles. चला. In triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to AC. Then we have A, B, C. Similar triangle A, D, B. Similar triangle B, D, C. So now therefore Now considering first this pair. Now since triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB, then what we have? Therefore we have AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Therefore we have cross multiplying this AB square, so that is AB square is equal to AD into AC. This is our first. Now similarly consider triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC. Similarly, what consider that? What we consider? ABC, similar triangle BDC. Triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC. Then what we get? AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. This is similar corresponding side of similar triangle. Here also corresponding side of similar triangle. ये दोन consider करा. So therefore we have BC into BC, that is BC square. BC into BC, that is BC square. So BC square is equal to AC into DC. This is it. Now see that here adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. So what we get there adding 1 and 2? What is AB square plus BC square? AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into DC. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to, here AC is common, so now taking AD plus DC into AC. So therefore AB square plus BC square, AD plus DC. Now see, AD plus DC, that is AC into AC. Therefore AB square plus, इधर reason there, ADC. Therefore AB square or BC square is equal to AC square. Hence that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hence proved. Now how to prove that? पहिले काय केलं आपण? हा ट्रायंगल घेतला ABC, राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे. अँगल B ला 90 डिग्री मध्ये. BD परपेंडिक्युलर कशाला काढला? AC ला काढला. तर मग आपल्याला माहित आहे सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. या ट्रायंगल मध्ये ABC मध्ये काय आहे? BD perpendicular to AC. So then, by the property of similarity of right angle triangle, काय तयार होतं? The triangle so formed by this perpendicular, opposite sides of the perpendicular, it is similar to the original triangle. ही प्रॉपर्टी आपण शिकलो. म्हणून काय ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल कोणता आहे? ए बी सी. हा सिमिलर कशाला आहे? ए डी बी आणि बी डी सी हे झाले सिमिलर. मग एक एक पार्ट घ्या नाव. मग ह्या एक पार्ट घेतलं नाव ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ए डी बी. करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड घ्या ए बी अपॉन ए डी इज इक्वल टू ए सी अपॉन ए बी. ए बी अपॉन ए डी इज इक्वल टू दिस ए सी अपॉन ए बी. गुणाकार केला ए बी इंटू ए बी स्क्वेअर, ए सी इंटू ए डी इंटू ए सी. सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ए बी सी कशा सोबत सिमिलर आहे? बी डी सी सोबत. सो दॅट इज बी डी सी. मग करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ए बी अपॉन बी डी इज इक्वल टू बी सी अपॉन बी डी, बी सी अपॉन डी सी अँड ए सी अपॉन बी सी. मग हे दोन कन्सिडर केले. सो बी सी इंटू बी सी स्क्वेअर, ए सी इंटू डी सी ॲड करा. सो नाव ॲडिंग ए बी स्क्वेअर प्लस बी सी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए डी इंटू डी सी प्लस ए सी इंटू डी सी. इथे ए सी आहे, इथे ए सी आहे, कॉमन घ्या. सो दॅट ए बी स्क्वेअर प्लस बी सी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए डी प्लस डी सी इंटू ए सी कॉमन घेतला. ए डी प्लस डी सी, ए डी प्लस डी सी that is a AC. So AC into AC, AC square. Hence the theorem is proved. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. यापूर्वी आपण पायथागोरस थेरम शिकलो, त्याचं प्रूफ सुद्धा शिकलो. आता कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ पायथागोरस थेरम मध्ये इन ए ट्रायंगल if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Converse of Pythagoras मध्ये we have to provide a triangle. We have to provide a triangle such that the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Then the triangle is a right angle triangle. आपल्याला तो ट्रायंगल राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे असं प्रूव्ह करायचं. पायथागोरस थेरम मध्ये आपल्याला ऑलरेडी काय केलं असतो? राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल दिलेला असतो. आता इथे बघा, कन्सिडर ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, ए बी सी such that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then to prove that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, that means that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. To prove this, we can make some construction. Draw a triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. आपण एक ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करतो. कसा करतो? AB बरोबर PQ, BC बरोबर QR and angle Q is a 90 degree. हा आपण ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट केला. मग आता प्रूफ मध्ये जो प्रूफ पहिला पॉइंट जो गिवन दिला तो, सो दॅट इज AC स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वेअर प्लस BC स्क्वेअर. दिस इज टू बी फर्स्ट. That is a given. Now in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, what is that? Now in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras, what we will get? PR square. Pythagoras PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This is second. But by given construction, PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Substituting the values here. Therefore, PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is to be thought. But AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, PR square is equal to AC square. This is from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3. That is PR is equal to AC. This is a 4. This is a 4. Now see that in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC and triangle PQR, we have that AB is equal to PQ. This is construction. BC is equal to QR. This is again by construction. And PR is equal to AC. This we proved. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. By what test? That is SS test. Therefore, angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. Reason is the corresponding angle of congruent triangle. But angle PQR, it is how much? 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is a 90 degree. Hence, triangle ABC, hence triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. In this way, we can prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem.